Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram application not working or not opening. If you found yourself in this situation, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing you'll need to do when you are in this kind of situation is to restart your Instagram application. Go to your settings on your device and tap on Apps. Under Settings, search for Instagram from the application list. And once you do that, tap on the Force tab at the bottom right. Now go back to your Instagram and try relaunching your Instagram application. If that works, then that's great. If not, then you'll need to update your Instagram application. Go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram, and see if you have the latest update of the application. Sometimes this might be the main reason you're not being able to open and use your Instagram. The next thing you can do is go check your internet connection. If your Instagram feed isn't loading, or you're not able to open your Instagram, then it may have something to do with your internet connection. If you are using your Wi-Fi, there are several things to do. When this happens, you can try switching between the cellular data options, or vice versa. You can move closer to your router or even reset your router. If you're having constant trouble with your internet, you can also restart your phone and see if the application runs or not. If nothing fixes your issue, then go ahead and uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it back on your device. Those were some of the quick fixes you can try out whenever you're having a problem with your Instagram application. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.